Hello guys, this is your host Akshada from DHC Home Clinics, and today as you can see we are here at Sheth Vasant Lawn or Tower Fun. So today guys I am going to help you explore this humongous and luxurious property, and you have a lot of connectivity and good USPs given. If you see, the Majheda junction from this location is just in 2 minutes of distance. If you look down for Cadbury location, it is just again at 2 minutes of distance. You have your Lodha, I think, park given right here. This is a business park which is again to be very beneficial for the people dealing in businesses. As well as if you see, you have your Viviana Mall again connected to this lane itself, and you have a lot of connectivity wise, you have lot of options given right here. Today I am going to just help you explore the sample flat which is of 3 BHK. Let me just walk you through this luxurious 3 BHK apartment. Today we are here in Sheth Vasant Lawn Fun, and as you can see I am standing right here in the living area. You have sitting space given right here. Just opposite to that you have your TV unit, and then comes a center table. We have a humongous amount of 40 feet of balcony. You can see how spacious the balcony looks. As soon as you come out of your living space, you have ample of moving area right here, and just on this side you can arrange your dining table, and here you have your kitchen space guys, which is again very spacious. You have your kitchen platform given right here. Comes your sink area along with lots and lots of storage. With this you have a dry balcony attached with the kitchen space. When you come out of here, you have your common washroom given right here. And then just parallel to that you have your bedroom number 1. This could be your common bedroom with a wardrobe. And then comes your bedroom number 2 guys, which is very spacious in size. This will also contain one balcony, and then you have your bed area right here. Comes your dressing table, enough space for your wardrobe, and then since it's a master bedroom, you have a attached washroom along with it. After this comes your third and your final bedroom, which is very spacious. Comes in with your bed area, and then you can just arrange a study desk right here. Also comes with an balcony. You can arrange your wardrobe right here, your dressing table. Since it's a master bedroom, again you have a very spacious washroom right there. You can see how big the washroom is.